Creative strategy for your e-commerce brand. Let's get into it. Hey, I'm Freddy from Magica, and we create ads that spend at least $100,000 or more profitably on Facebook ads. So if you're looking for your next winning creative, click the first link in the description. Otherwise, let's get into the video. So what you can see on the screen right now is one of our clients. As you can see, this campaign alone has been over $400,000, getting a decent return on ad spend. And I just want to go over the creative strategy in today's video. So, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, really 8 ads that we're getting decent spend on this account or on this campaign. The reason for that is the different creatives reach different people. Let me explain. So for that, I'm going to need my marker, and let's assume you are selling something super generic, and this circle is your whole audience, right? Audience. This is everybody within your audience. That is, potentially a customer. And what you have to understand is that different people on Facebook react to different kinds of creatives. Same for you. If you go, for example, on YouTube, do you prefer to click long videos? Do you prefer to click like super short videos? If you are on Instagram, do you prefer to look at posts or do you prefer to watch reels? Like those are, different kinds of creatives essentially. And we can take this concept over to Facebook. So let's assume that you have, an image ad and this is a video ad. So let's just make like a play button in here. So, image and video. And if you would only run, one image, it would maybe reach this subset of the audience, right? Because only a certain amount of people are going to react to one type of image. Let's assume it's just like a product image, no text, just product image, no nothing, just product image. And then you have like a UGC video, for example, and that is going to reach another subset of that audience. So maybe it's, maybe that is the UGC video and that is the image, right? And now you have two different kinds of creatives and you already reach a broader audience than you would reach with just one, plain product image. And now there are obviously different kinds of creatives out there. There is, for example, just giving you a few ideas of what you can create. We have a founders video, for example. Then we have UGC videos. We have like a testimonial image. We have, maybe an ad with a lot of humor in it, right? Humor ad. Then we have like a benefit image. And those are just a few different concepts of creatives that you can run on Facebook. And, maybe founders video is, obviously not every concept is going to work for your brand. You have to find the concepts that, will work for your brand. But let's assume that you have like a founders video. Maybe founders video is going to reach that audience. And then, UGC, we had that, and then testimonial image, it's going to reach that people, those people. And humor ad, I don't know, maybe a lot of people in your audience like humor. So boom, you're going to reach that people and that audience. And then you have a benefit image, which is going to reach the rest of your audience. So to fully reach your audience or to reach the audience to the fullest potential, you need to have different kinds of creatives, And it's not just diversified by image and video. There's different kinds of images. There's different kinds of video. And so if you want to get the best results for your ecom brand, then you need different kinds of images, different kinds of videos. And that is basically the whole thing that we did on the account. We will do this. Obviously, you have to blur out all of this, but for the purpose of this example, let's take this. So obviously I know which ad ran, and you don't know that, you can't see it, but this one, this ad here was an image, benefit image to be exact, benefit. And this video here was an gifting ad, gifting video. And then this ad here was like UGC. This ad here, founders image. This ad here was another UGC. And this ad here, which got some spend, was humor ad, humor video to be exact. And then this here was a dynamic catalog. And this way, we were able to increase our results significantly with this ad, simply because we had different kinds of creatives in our scaling campaign. So yeah, I hope I could explain, or give you an idea of what you need to do next, if you're currently struggling to scale up your ads, you definitely need different kinds of creatives. And this also works for landing pages, but that would be a total separate video. But yeah, if you are struggling right now with your Facebook ads, if you need more ads, if you can't consistently test or get new creatives, then book a call with us. The first link in the description, we are going to give you a free creative audit and see if we can help you, because we create ads that spend at least $100,000 profitably on Facebook. So if you're looking for that, again, first link in the description. Otherwise, I hope I could help you with this video, and I hope you have a great rest of the week.